Are you tired of that stubborn belly fat and feeling out of breath? Want to reduce the stress on your joints and improve your heart health? You're not alone. We all want to avoid insulin resistance, diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. We all want a healthier, more energetic life, right? What I'm about to share can make a tremendous difference in your health. But remember, you also need to take responsibility for your well-being. After revealing this powerful elixir, I'll talk about the other steps you need to take. First, let's talk about water. Staying hydrated is crucial for your metabolism, digestion, and nutrient transport. Proper hydration keeps you energetic and supports your active lifestyle, helping you burn more calories. Apple cider vinegar ACV is another game changer. It boosts metabolism by increasing the enzyme AMPK, which promotes fat burning and reduces fat storage. The acetic acid in ACV improves insulin sensitivity, helping your cells absorb glucose and stabilizing blood sugar levels to prevent cravings and overeating. Fresh lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, not only protects your cells, but also aids in fat conversion and liver cleansing. Vitamin C is vital for producing carnitine, a compound that helps the body turn fat into energy. Lemon juice also stimulates bile production, aiding digestion and fat breakdown. Then there's cayenne pepper, the king of metabolism-boosting spices. Capsaicin, its active component, has thermogenic properties, raising your body temperature and increasing calorie burn. Capsaicin also curbs hunger and enhances the feeling of fullness, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Now let's mix this simple yet powerful elixir. Tall glass of water, 12 ounces. 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. Juice of 1/2 lemon. A pinch or 2 of cayenne pepper. Combine these ingredients and drink the mixture 10-15 minutes before your meals. This will stimulate your digestive enzymes, cleanse your liver, give you a sense of fullness, and speed up your metabolism, helping you shed those extra pounds. But here's your part. You must eliminate processed and refined sugars from your diet. Eat plenty of fiber, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Enjoy healthy proteins and fats like olives, olive oil, and avocados. Avoid trans fats and heavily saturated fats. Exercise regularly, starting with simple activities like walking. Stay hydrated. Water is a natural thermogenic burner, reducing bloating and flushing out excess sodium. When you feel hungry, drink a glass or 2 of water. It might just be thirst. Reduce stress to keep cortisol levels down, as high cortisol leads to belly fat. Ensure you get enough sleep to prevent food cravings driven by ghrelin. I challenge you to try this elixir of apple cider vinegar / lemon juice / cayenne pepper before your meals, especially breakfast or your second largest meal. You can use it up to 3 times a day to stabilize your blood sugar and prevent cravings. Start now and transform your life. I hope this video helps you. Share it with your friends and family. Leave your comments below, and most importantly, enjoy yourself.